but we do own Tesla. And I thought the Tesla report was actually better than the headlines. The company has been pretty clever about cutting prices to put pressure on their competitors. So yes, it's hurt their margins, but Ford just cut the price of the Lightning truck by 10,000, and their margins are significantly below Tesla. So Tesla has some room. And then the supercharger business looks like it's going to be significantly accretive in out years. So we like that the adoption is coming from Mercedes and from GM and Ford to their chargers. And we think that's the extension of the ecosystem that has made Apple such a great stock to own, not just the hardware, but the ecosystem. Elon's been pretty clever in that regard. And so we still like the stock. I wouldn't chase it here, but on weakness, I would add to it.
All right, 286.58 last time on TSLA. So what do you think the strategy here is, Nan, with Tesla? I mean, with the price cuts and also with less incentives being offered, obviously that hurts their margins. Are they intentionally trying to literally move stock, if not clear stock, before the economy and also demand slows down in a very increasingly competitive environment? Or are they conversely trying to consolidate or actually gain market share before things get slower?
I think it's that, Martin, because once you're in the ecosystem and they get the data and they get to continue, to utilize the data and AI, I think the company becomes more and more dominant. And it really does remind me of the Apple model when we were accumulating the stock in 2012 and 2013. Most people were focused on the fact that the iPhone, innovation hadn't been great. But what we were focused on was the services. So I think that's the majority of it. They saw some share gain in China, which kind of blew my mind. So I think you don't want to underestimate this company or this CEO. He is playing the long game, and the rest of, not the rest, but some of the EV providers are playing the short game. I think he's going to win.